My name's Nick. I'm a martial arts trigger. Just recently I was training at the gymnastics facility and I was actually practicing double back somersaults. And on one of the attempts I actually bailed out of the flip in midair, and luckily it was into a gymnastics foam pit, but I did land directly on my shoulder and my neck. And immediately I had intense pain in that shoulder. The next morning I couldn't actually lift my arm horizontal with my shoulders. The pain was that bad, and I went to the doctors. They said I could potentially have a hairline fracture in my shoulder or just very intense deep bruising in the tissue. I was recommended to use the Nature Medic deep tissue formula, and after about 3 days I had no pain in my shoulder whatsoever. I continued using the product for about another 4 or 5 days to reassure myself that the injury would be fixed and would not recur again. And since then I've been tricking up to 100%, practicing my double backflips now and just tricking better than ever, thanks to Nature Medic. Nature Medic, nothing to lose but the pain of your condition.